Ahora sí ho tenim. Veamos esas imágenes.
La mujer de Raúl trabajaba
Looking at me, I got me to say you want me. When you gonna give it up to me? Because your body enticing and making me want it. When you gonna give it up to me? When you gonna today, girl, then I must see tomorrow. When you fulfill my fantasy, because you know I give you love and shade like an arrow. When you gonna give it up to me? So fuck it up there, so fuck it up there. Cause I wanna be the man that's really gonna up it up and mock it up and rock it up there. So what is up, yeah, you know you got the vibe. And me have to develop and I swell up and double up, yeah. So give me the work, yeah, and rough it to
Doncs seguim parlant del paper de les dones en el món del futbol. Deia abans Sonia Monroy alguna cosa que m'ha deixat absolutament trastocat, o sigui, que eren les mujeres futbolistes cornudes consentides.